Today's Saturday, October 23rd. This is the 1975-1976 Cadillac Eldorado power antenna. This particular configuration was available for 4 years, from 1973 to 1976. It's indicative of the 4-wire configuration that supports the limiting feature. The limiting feature actuates the telescopic mast immediately upon turning on the radio knob. So you turn on the radio knob and you get a limited extents and it stops, and then you use the modality switch to achieve whatever extension or level of retraction you desire. Similarly, when you shut off the radio, the telescopic mast fully retracts. So this is a 4-year design. Each of the 4 years have slight differences that are not immediately apparent, but there are slight differences in each of the 4 years. So I'm going to do a functional validation test after having done a level 10 restoration, whereby the motor has been rewound, the entire body has been climatized, the 6 gears of the movement have been fully serviced, and the segmented mast is brand new. So I've connected the unit of power, and I'll go ahead and do a functional test now. And I apply power, and we get the limiting feature rise. Okay? And retract, and the unit self-parks. I'll go ahead and do the limiting rise again, and full retraction, and the unit self-parks. Now we'll do a full extension. And the unit self-parks. Complete 36-inch maximum extension. And full retraction. And the unit self-parks. So this is the 1975-1976 Cadillac Eldorado power antenna for my friend Vernon Fletcher in Abilene, Texas. And today is October 23rd, Saturday. This will be shipping out Monday. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorado. Over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 to 1978 overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the original Delco radios, these power antennas, instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Saturday, October 23rd. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.